Hey, my fellow no-lifers, it's No Life Johnny here, and wow, we did it. We just hit 300 subscribers. I honestly can't thank you all enough for the support, the comments, and just hanging out and geeking out over Digimon together. Every single one of you made this milestone possible, and it's just the beginning. I've got tons more match, deck profiles, and Digimon fun planned, so thank you for being on this journey with me. And speaking of epic journeys, today's match is going to be a big one. We've got Galacticmon on the left here, the cosmic conqueror himself, taking on the new adventure trait Digimon straight from the latest set on the right. It's going to be a clash of pure cosmic power versus the spirit of the original Digidestin. Who's going to come out on top? Let's dive right into it, and once again, thank you for 300 subs. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to let me know these are the types of content you enjoy. Now, it's time to open the gates to the digital world to let these two face off, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Draw paper 0. Yep. Play this for 3. Okay. Build top 3. 1, 2, 3. Among them, add one card of Venmo in the text to a hand and place one Venmo. Alright, so place this one down here. Okay. And does this one has in its text? Yes, it does. So I'll grab that.
Oh, is this the new, was it Galacticmon?
Yeah. Still trying to learn how to play this a little bit. Yeah.
Oh, I need another card, sorry. My turn?
Yep, go ahead.
Go for turn. Going to hatch, but nothing's going to happen. Let's go with 3. And then no team or anything. Reduce play cost by 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Because I do not have, I think it's 3 colors. Yeah, we have to have 3 colors still.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright, then I would just play 2. 1, 2. To revolve on top. 2. Actually, for 1. Yeah, wait, no, yeah, 3, yeah.
3, okay.
So draw for Digivolve,
Okay.
and reveal top 3.
Okay.
So blurry right here.
Oh,
3.
nice.
Yeah. Okay, add one card of Digimon text to your hand and trash the rest. So I will keep this.
Okay.
Trash the rest. Then you may place 2 Venmon from your trash as one of your devolutions. So I'll put down here. This might be a bad idea.
No, go for it, man.
So I will Digivolve onto the Snatch. -1, 2, 3. So 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Draw. Since I'm able to Digivolve on top of Snatch, this Galacticmon, I can Digivolve on top of it for 9. And since the devolution, it allows me -1 for if it has Venmons in its text, or will Digivolve into a Destro or Galacticmon. And then with this guy, for when Digivolving, you may place 4 Venmon, which I don't have, from the trash end of this devolution. And if there's 8 in the devolution, delete 1 for opponent's Digimon, which I can't.
If they have a Digivolution? Or like if they have any,
in the evolution. Okay. So I don't have any 4, so I can't delete. But when this one leaves the battle area, I can place 4 Venmons from the devolution to my owner's deck and prevent it from leaving, and start a main phase. Start with my main phase. Trash. Top up your opponent's security.
Okay. So at the start of your main phase?
Yeah.
Okay, so the next turn you would do that, right?
Yep.
Does it have any protection or anything like that?
That's if I have 4 total Venmons, but which I don't.
You do not? Okay. Alright, so it's my turn?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Unsuspend. Galacticmon, I get to play the game now. Oh, because I have an adventure, by the way, I gain 1 memory. Because I have an adventure Digimon, so I gain 1 memory, so I'm at 6. I'm gonna get eaten up by that one. I should remember that on my turn. Let's see what we can do here. And that's just scramble back there?
Yeah, I just scrambled. Yeah. One, two, three. And I will go Galacticmon. 1, 2, 3 for adventure. On play, when Digivolving, when your Digimon gets raid and retaliation until the end of your turn, give it to himself, but it doesn't really matter. It doesn't want to do something else at this point. Let's go. What's the DP on that? 14.
Ay. I don't like that. I do not like that at all. Let's go. 14.
Mm-hmm.
Go into 4 Greymon for 1, 2, 3. Draw. 4 Greymons when he digivolves. Delete one of your opponent's Digimon with as much or less DP in this Digimon. He's at 12, 13, 14. And his other effect is this Digimon gets 1k DP all turns for each color and or tamer any Digimon. So black, green, red, blue, yellow. Or no, blue, sorry. So he is at 12, 13, 14. 15, 16, 17, 17k, so I pop that. He has blocker and security +1.
Before I draw, can I do this?
It's up to you.
No.
Nope.
I would push this up.
You're bowling a new father.
I'm going to Digimon here for 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Draw. Then we go top 3. 1, 2, 3.
I could die alone.
Add 1 from the 6. So I'll just grab this Galax.
Okay.
And then place the rest in the trash.
Okay.
Add 1 to my cards that can trash rest. Alright, cool. Trash rest. Then after that, I then may place up 2 Venmons. So I will put these two at the bottom.
Okay.
Thanks to that, thanks to Dormon, which one of your effects plays a Digivolution card under this Digimon, draw one.
Okay. Popping off.
Let's see. Technically 3. I'll play this for 4. Reveal top 3 on play.
Is that a memory setting?
Yeah, memory saver. Reveal top 3, and among them add 1 Benmon, play 1 Benmon.
Oh shoot, okay. Play.
Without costing, without play cost, or add 1 Benmon card in your text in hand. Oh, okay. So I'm going to do one of the two.
Because you can add 1 or you can play 1, right?
Yeah, pretty much. Either play 1 Benmon or put 1 from text to hand, which actually, yeah, I'll grab the text. So this, grab that. All right.
Alright.
Yep, go ahead.
Gain 1 memory because in fact I have an adventure Digimon, drop it in. I'll bring up Agumon. Sure, I made a Minecraft one. What are you at, 6?
Yeah, just 6.
You're level 5?
Mm-hmm.
You have any protection?
No. Oh, it's level 4.
He's level 4. Okay.
Yeah.
Tap 2. To reduce the play cost by 2, a Bergermon for 2. 1, 2. On play effect, if I have 3 or more adventure trait tamer colors, so 1, 2, 3, 4, so I have 4. Activate effect, I made a Digimon for free. And I'm going to do. Do Wergarurumon. Wergarurumon's effect. Delete one of your opponent's level 4 or lower Digimon for tamers. Delete one of your opponent's level 4 or lower Digimon. If your tamers have 2 or more colors, add 1 to the effect. Since he's just a level 4, I'm just going to pop him.
Alright. Anything on deletion? No.
Okay. I don't have rush with that guy. That's unfortunate. Or Greymon security plus 1. He is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 100.
18?
Yep, 18 security plus 1.
So 2 checks.
Yes.
No, you're fine, you're fine. I was just like, as soon as it dropped, because I was up last night because I was really late, but as soon as it dropped last night, I was like, I'm going to talk to Christian about it.
I've met her a couple times.
So what?
I said I've met her a couple times. That makes sense.
Yeah, no, it's like, it's fine.
Yeah. It makes sense. Plays for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Putting you at 1. Yep, so I just hard play that. I can play Tamer for him for free if I have 1 or less Tamers, which I don't, but he's just going to be on board.
Alright.
I should have activated Alliance. That was a misplay, but you're good. Pass.
So I'll go to 3.
Yep.
Ash here.
Oh wait, he doesn't have Alliance. I'm dumb. Yeah, sorry.
I should have used scramble. Damn, alright.
You can use scramble if you want to.
No,
Go
no,
back.
it's fine. It's fine. I was planning to have one of two things.
Okay.
So I will be. The question is.
Someone's going super soon.
Which I can do that one. But can I? Alright. I can work that out.
Just saying too, all my adventure Digimon have blocker, by the way.
Alright. I'll just go here for 0. Wow. I think I can do this. Digivolve, play him out.
Okay.
Cross Digivolve, Digicross.
Okay.
I can play, yeah, it's fine. While you have no Digimon other than Venmon, cards in your trash can also be placed into this Digicross.
Oh my goodness.
So I can play up to 4 Venmons in it. So, let's see. Oop, no. Oop, that's close. Alright. So, let's go 1, 2, 3,
Oh my goodness gracious.
4.
Oh my. And those for free? You played them for free?
Reduced cost by 4, so
So he's at 2?
yeah, it should be 2. I think that's how you.
Yeah.
That's how you do it. These cross.
Yeah.
Right.
Let's see. Did cross 4. So minus 1, 4. Is it minus 1 for every 4?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So no, I think like one for each one.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
I mean, we could ask somebody. I mean, I'm okay with that.
Yeah,
I'm okay with that.
we-
That makes sense. Because what level is he? He's a level 5?
The 4.
Level 4. Yeah, the most, yeah.
So I don't know, but it uses Digicross. When Digivolve effect though.
No.
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 Okay.
Well, actually, yeah, no, because I don't want to cheat you out of this. We have to judge.
Do we even have anyone that?
Is there a judge? Judge?
Yeah.
2 questions.
About this match. Yeah.
Is Digicross Digivolution effect?
No. Oh, okay.
It's a play effect. Oh, it's a play. Oh.
Okay. All right. Cool. All right then. All right. Cool. All right. Cool. And thanks to those all these Venus 1, 2, 3, 4. I can Digivolve here for 1.
Okay.
Digivolve for Digivolve. Now, effective this one on Digivolve, choose any number of your opponent's Digimon and Tamers so that their play costs will total up to 3, and delete them. For each Venmon in this Digivolution card, add 1 maximum play cost to this effect. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, so you can delete something up to 7.
Yep, these 2.
Okay. That's mean. That's mean.
Yeah, I can see now. I heard like, okay, I need to up that to 4 instead of 3. Oh,
Especially in this deck, dude. Like,
Yeah.
You just nullified a lot of my stuff.
yeah. Now the question is, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, cool, 4.
All right.
I can now do one of 2 things. Let's see. Alright, they're in the ace. No. Oh, alright. I can digivolve here
Okay.
for 5. No, 6.
6. Okay.
Draw. Then effect, I can grab 4,
Oh my goodness.
which I do have.
Is my board about to be wiped?
Sadly, this is not the one that board wipes.
Oh, damn.
It was the other one. This is the same one as the that start, you know, what do you call it?
You start
Crash,
swinging?
no, crashing top in real life.
Oh, okay.
So I place 4 for my Venmon from my trash under the illusion. Then if I have 8 or more, which I do,
You definitely do.
delete one of your opponent's Digimon.
Okay.
So I'll be deleting this.
I do have a ruling question.
Huh?
I don't know how this works.
Oh.
So I have an on-deletion effect
Yeah.
here. When
Oh.
deleted,
On inheritance or on the main body?
the inheritable.
Then that would kick in.
So here's the thing. You may play one adventure trait Digimon card with play cost 4 or less from your trash without playing its cost. I don't have any, but I deleted this, so I'm
Oh,
assuming.
that would be part of it. That I assume it would be.
So I could play Bergermon?
Yeah.
Because I don't want to cheat you out of this. So.
Yeah, no. It is. I kind of do that too for Red Hybrid a little bit.
Okay.
I don't know if it's the same concept or I'm playing it wrong. Because usually, like, even once it gets deleted, it should be all put in here already.
Yeah.
And you should grab it out and play it.
Okay, if that's how it is, then
Yeah.
then effective Bergermon. Oh, actually, no, I can't. I can't.
What?
You got rid of my tamers.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did. Okay, sorry, go
Yeah,
ahead.
those tamers are
They're huge.
music.
Yeah, they're-
So I had to get rid of it. So, alright. I'll end my turn there, which I don't have no blockers.
Let's see, do you have protection?
Let me see. Once per turn, I can get rid of 4, put 4 of the Venmons back to my deck to prevent it from leaving in battle. But it does not stop it from Digivolution and stuff like that. Oh, wait. When opponent's Digimon attacks, return 2 Venmons. 2 Venmons from one of your Galactic Evolution card. And target this Digimon. Oh, okay, cool.
So what does it do?
Once per turn of your opponent, when you attack one of your Digimon attack, I can return 2
Okay.
of the Venmons and redirect it to me.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Alright, draw turn.
And when I do that, I get when it turns to the bottom of the deck, this will end up getting blockers too.
I think it's blocker 2.
Yeah.
And it does have protection, so.
Yes. One time protection though.
Oh. And it's at 14 right now?
Mm-hmm.
Here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do. I will go to enter 1 for 3. 1, 2, 3. Effects. Actually, wait.
Can it?
One of your Digimon may Digivolve. Yes, you can. One of your Digimon may Digivolve into a Digimon card with adventure trait from the hand without paying its cost. There is no color required.
Oh. Oh, adventurers. Alright.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Cool.
She's pretty cool. So, effects, Digivolve into Rivermon. Draw and then draw. Because of that.
Don't like that one.
Or Greymon. When he enters the battlefield, I can get protection for every color tamer I have. I don't have any tamers. But when Digivolving and when attacking, I may delete one of my opponent's lowest DP Digimon. So I'm going to do that.
I will return 4.
Okay.
To prevent from deletion.
Okay. And then effect, I will give him Alliance and he may attack. He's just going to get Alliance there.
Oh, effective this one here. When I return. Oh no, never mind.
Okay.
But he does gain blocker.
He gains blocker?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. So you have 2. Oh. So I'm at 3. rid of.
Let me see. I got 4 more right here. But, and then when the opponent attacks, change the Digimon to redirect it. Alright.
Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to swing with Greymon, I'm going to activate Alliance, and I'm going to suspend Virgimon. And he now has plus the 14, security plus 1, so he is, 4. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He is a 1800 with security plus 1, and I'm swinging and I'm going to pop him. Attempt to pop him.
Wait, let me double check this. It says once all turns when Digimon will be leaving the battlefield. Okay, so as long as it has a bunch of Venmons,
Yeah. It can just be there forever.
you know what? I'll go on that pop.
You want to pop? Okay. And then security plus 1 with 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1800. Security plus 1.
2 checks then.
Yep.
Right?
2 checks.
Oh, alright. This. You may play one card with a Venmon in its text that costs 6 or less from your hand or security without trash. Alright.
That's the way this shit works out too.
Costs 6 or less. Alright. I'll play this. And this at card's hand. And effect of this, reveal top 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
We'll grab this. Add to hand, right? Yep, add to hand. Trash the rest. Then I can place 2 in here. 2 Venmons? Yeah, 2 Venmons. Hey, come on. Dude. There we go. Cool.
He's level 4.
Yep.
Does he have any protection?
No. So, wait, was that the... Yeah, that was the second check, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
that was the second check.
Alright, cool.
Do you have 1 card left?
Yep.
Going to here. We're going to Rivermon. 1, 2, 3. Draw. Interesting. Where the Rivermon pops to level 4 or lower, and I can, for every color tamer I have, I'll pop them. And then I'm going to swing Angelmon. And then Agumon for game.
Yep.
Alright.
Cool.
Okay. Now I draw. I should do something else. I should avoid this.
No, I should have done Alright.
Yeah, I should. Pass.
Oh. Okay.
Here you go. You got 3?
Cool. Drop here for
Game 2.
0.
Okay.
Draw. Okay, this for 3. 1, 2, 3. Roll top 3. 1, 3.
Okay.
Alright, so 1 text and place 1 Venmon under and put the rest at the bottom.
Okay. There's 1?
Yep.
Okay.
And I'll play this for 4.
For 4, okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Draw. Raise. Start a main. Gain 1 memory because I have an adventure trait Digimon. What do I do here? Leo, 2, 3. Reveal top 3. I may add an adventure trait Digimon and a option / tamer. So reveal 1, 2. There's an option. Oh, okay. That's a memory setter, by the way.
Yes and no.
Oh, it's a gainer?
Yeah, it's a game memory. Game 1 memory. I had to trash a Venmon from hand. Draw 1, game 1.
This is gonna. Let me add these two. Sorry, let me go to the bottom. Okay. Put you 1, I don't want to do that. Put you 3, I don't want to do that. This, 1, 2, 3. I draw 2 cards, and then the delay effect is if a level 5 or higher, sorry, Digimon with adventure trait leaves the field, I can play I think if you can play a level 5 or lower from my hand for free, basically. Okay. So I'm gonna draw 2. Okay, that's not bad. All right, you're good.
All right. Draw. I'll push this up. We'll swing for 1.
Swing for 1. Security check.
Of course. Both sides. That's nice. Yay. Now
I should have actually
play this for 3. 1, 2, 3. Draw. Effect. When this round, you may place 2 Venmons from your trash with the bound evolution. Alright, cool. An effect of Doraemon, I can draw 1.
Okay.
And return, I only have 3. Can't do that. Alright. There we go.
I will draw for turn. Patch. 1. Agumon. Draw. Actually, wait. Yeah, then is that protection or anything?
No.
Okay. We're going to tap 2, reduce the play cost by 2. So 1, 2. On play effect, if I have 3 or more colors, which 1, 2, 3, 4, I get to Digivolve for free. I'm going to Digivolve into Regarurumon. And then pop your Digimon. And then
starting phase. I will. Wait, no, that's not starting phase. So draw. And I'll trash this.
okay.
Game 1 memory and draw. And
You're good, you're good.
I'll go with this one. 0.
Goodbye.
Then I'll play this for 4. 1. Reveal top 3. 1, 3. Then trash the rest.
Okay.
That one has main, so I can do that.
Okay.
Alright, there you go.
Untap. Draw. Let's not do that yet. Let's not do that yet. That's not the right thing. I'm going to. Have two. Reduce the cost by two. So 1, 2. By Togomon. Togomon has the same effect of Bergermon. If I have, was it 3 colors? Yep, 3 colors. I may Digivolve for free. And I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go Skull Greymon. Skull Greymon has Retaliation and Raid.
So for 4, right?
Huh?
You Digivolve for free or
It's free.
free? Okay.
He has Raid and Retaliation. I'm gonna give him that. Oh wait, is it actually one of your Digimon gains Raid and Retaliation? Actually, let's do that. So I'm gonna actually, it says give 1 of your Digimon Raid and Retaliation. I'm gonna give it to Palmar. I'm gonna swing into here and they both die. And then Sunamon's effect, when this Digimon is deleted, you may add a adventure trait Digimon card from your hands or your trash to your hands. Because I have more than 3 colors, so the 2 requirements are my opponent has a Digimon with 10k, or I have 3 or more colors. I can warp Digivolve Pokemon into 4 Greymon. Draw for 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I will pass. He has block.
This up. Start main phase. I will touch that to draw game memory.
I should have done Alliance and then swung into that. Yeah, I should have. I'm learning. I'm playing too defensively.
Oh, Digivolve for 3. 1, 2, 3. Draw. Then face 2 Digimon from your trash to Bomb Evolution, which I can. Then after that, I'll draw.
Okay.
Less stuff than I do. Alright, let's see how I can do this.
Go for it.
I will swing 6 to life. On swing, when one of my Digimon attack, I can suspend this Tamer and return 2 Venmons from those devolution. So grab these 2.
Okay.
Back to the deck.
Okay.
Right, yeah. And Digivolve 1 your Digimon. So I Digivolve Red Ray.
Okay.
Yeah.
The swing, on swinging. So, warp Digivolve Red Ray. effect. So I'm going to put protection on him until the end of your turn. Is it to the end of your opponent's turn? Until your opponent's turn ends. Okay, so he has protection.
What kind of protections? Like deletions or
Just from effects, I believe, from Digimon effects.
one of your opponents loses? Or is it both?
I think it's not options, it's just Digimon, or Digimon effects.
Oh, don't affect one of your. Okay, cool.
Yeah. But for every
Just
two
your
colors.
effects. Alright, cool.
Yeah. So I'm going to put protection on him and protection on Agumon.
Digimon effects or just? Yeah, Digimon effects.
Digimon
Cool.
effects, yeah.
Cool.
These two are protected. Who's going to point to him?
Alright. Alright, yeah, those two. Alright.
They're both interrupted.
I could have activated this.
And then I think he has the effect. He has some crash. Doesn't he get out across or move? Yeah. I forget how that first works. Now hand it back. Hand it out? Yeah.
You know what?
You can do up to 4 when you so you can
Cross these wall,
Okay.
which I can't grab from trash with flux. But I do have 4 Venmons
Okay.
play under.
Okay.
So it would be 6.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on play, choose any number of your opponent's Digimon and Tamers
Okay.
to the play cost of 3. Then add 1 for increase by 1 for each Venmon, so it'll be total 7.
Okay.
So I just get rid of those 2 Tamers.
Is it? Let me see a protection. One of your Digimon. I was hoping in some weird way you could put a protection on Tamers. That'd be so good. Alright, draw?
Yeah.
Okay. Draw for turn. Patch. Does it have protection?
No.
It does not have protection. Draw. Play Dio for 1, 2, 3. Reveal 3. One Digimon, one Tamer. Wow, all the cheap ones. That's not what I wanted. Oh. Let's get a bird. Let's go to the bottom. Alright. So I don't get the entry. And I'm at 2. Alright. I'm going to swing Skull Greymon. He is 9 at your 65.
Alright. 14.
14? Thank God. Okay, so he is deleted. Now the effect. On deletion, you may play 1 level 4 or 1 adventure trait card with play cost 4 or less from your trash without paying its cost. So I'm going to play Palmon. Effect.
I'm surprised you didn't play out the Tamer.
Wait, is adventure trait or is it adventure Digimon?
But trait.
Adventure trait card. Oh shoot, actually.
Yeah, so yeah, you can put the Tamers in there if you want.
Well, hold on, let me. How many cards do you have?
4. With cards in hand or cards in my life?
No, cards in your land.
Yeah, 4.
Okay. Yeah, I'm actually going to do 2. I'm sorry about that.
It's all good.
Also, when it left the field, I'm going to activate this. So I will delay, and by trashing this card, whenever a level 5 adventure trait Digimon leaves my field, I may play a level 5 or higher Digimon card from my trait without paying its cost. So I'm going to play Angel Woman for free. Angel Woman effect. I'm going to.
Oh yeah, he is an adventurer. Alright, cool. And that. Let's do that.
I'm at 2. I guess we can go the bird for free. And then your turn, when one of your Digimon are played, Digiball, give them Alliance. So I'm going to give Virgimon Alliance. I don't think I drew for that, but I'm not going to.
Yeah, you did see it every game.
That is crazy. I'm going to swing or Greymon with Alliance effect, suspending bird. So 13, 14, 15, security +1, and then I will pop your Digimon.
Cool.
Alright. Okay. So 15 security +1. Alright.
1, 2, 3.
Yep.
Now we'll. We still have anything else? Yeah. So we'll use that one. Trash the rest. And effective is on play, we go top 4. 1. Top 3.
Okay.
And this one, 2, so I will grab.
I remember my friend of mine
Alright, yeah, I'll grab this.
Okay.
And Pizza Venmon under and bomb deck this. And second check. Okay, you may reveal top 3, play a Venmon without it, cost. Alright, and trash the rest. 1, 2, 3. Which? Yeah. And this does not go back to my hand, so
Alright. So I gave my Virgimon Alliance. This will be a factor. I'm going to swing a Virgimon and then suspend this for Alliance. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, security +1.
so 2 checks, 15.
13.
Oh, yeah. 1. Okay, cool. Play that. On play, we go top 3. 3. Alright. We'll grab this to hand. Put this down here.
Okay.
Alright, cool.
And second check.
14.
14. And then blockers.
No.
Once again.
Yeah. Oh my god. This screwed me over.
That was